Hello everyone and welcome to Seaview Tech Tips. Today we'll be having a look at the Microsoft Lens app, which you can download for iOS or Android. So the Office Lens app is an app which allows you to scan documents very easily. This works on paper documents, so text, whiteboards, general photos, anything. So let's go ahead and download it from the iOS App Store. Okay, so let's open up the app. So as we can see, we've got a few pages here just welcoming us. We can skip right through these and we can press allow access to the camera. So as you can see, you've got a live view of the camera and you've got some different modes here. So you've got whiteboard, document, business card and photo. So let's try the documents. So all I have to do is put the iPad over the document here and it will put a rectangle over it and I press capture. Now, as we can see, it automatically keystones the page, which means it crops out anything that is not the document, and it makes it look a lot nicer than you would get just taking a photo with the normal photo app. So up in the top right corner, you've got some options. You've got crop, you've got rotate, you can change the mode so it can optimize the photo, or you can draw all over it. But that's what I want. I want this document so I can send it to Reese. And I press done. And you can easily send it to your photo library. Great, so thank you for watching this episode. So you now should know how to use the Microsoft Office Lens app on your iOS device to capture documents really easily. Thank you very much.